Hey, Infamous Joel here, and it's been a little while, but I thought I'd jump on here, do this little live, and spin my little chair in the background back and forth so that you don't get bored of this. I mean, it's a door, whatever. But hey, Infamous Mob, give me the hashtag mob if you're in the Infamous Mob. Give me the hashtag live if you're watching this live, and give me the hashtag replay. Let me know you're watching this on the replay, and I'll answer any questions that you shoot down in the bottom there if you're watching on the replay. So it's like watching it live. It's the same thing. So today we're going to get into how to make 5K a month without sales funnels, because this was addressed to me not too long ago by one of my mobsters, one of my newest mobsters. She'll be here on the $7 coaching calls on Sunday, getting some tips and tricks, and she was concerned about sales funnels. She was concerned about ClickFunnels, Builderall, Kajabi, you name it. All there's 5 million tools out there. And it seems like every year there's 5 million more. So it's never going to end. Okay. And I know that if you're a beginner and you're starting off in affiliate marketing, and I remember when I first started off too, I couldn't figure out that ClickFunnels stuff. I still use ClickFunnels to this day, but fear you not, it does not matter what you use. Okay. I just want to knock, knock. Don't worry about it. I'm here. I'm going to save the day. It does not matter what you use. As a matter of fact, it doesn't matter if you use nothing at all. I'm dead serious. I made my first 10, 15, 20,000, something like that in affiliate marketing without a single tool. Not one, not an autoresponder, big fancy words, not click funnels, not sales funnels, not poo-poo funnels, none of that stuff. Okay. You don't need any of it. Okay. I did it with none of that. If you have an affiliate link, that's literally all you need. Okay. You do not need any of this stuff. Now, does it help? Of course it helps. All right. Of course it helps. But there comes a time when it may be a bad idea to do that stuff. If you're not techie like I am, look, it took me like months to set up my first funnel. Okay. So it was a bad investment. If you're investing all your time in setting up stuff, funnels, emails, all that stuff, then you're never really making money. You're just building a bunch of stuff. You're drowning yourself in tech, I call it. And that's not a good place to be, okay? Then you'll never get out from under that rock. So I remember when I first started, and literally I would sit there and like try to figure out ClickFunnels. I'd be on YouTube all day long, watching tutorials, watching how to do this and how to do that. And about a month or two, maybe even 3 went by, and I didn't make a single dollar yet. Right. So some people say, well, how long did it take for you to make any money with affiliate marketing? I always tell them the same thing. About 8 months. It was before I first saw my first dollar. I said, oh my God, they get scared, right? If you're in the Infamous Mob, you know this story already, and you might be new. You might be scared. Oh my God, I don't have that much time. That takes forever. This affiliate marketing stuff, I knew it was a scam. It's horrible. Right. But I'm here to tell you the reason that it took me 8 months is plain and simple, because I was overwhelmed, because I was doing all the wrong things. And none of that stuff matters. The thing is, you have to decide right here and right now. I'm going to tell you, what are income producing activities in your business? Start with that. It's something that probably no other guru's talking to you about, and I'm going to sit there and tell you about it right now. Think about it. Is this an income producing activity? That means sales funnels and email autoresponders is like, will they make sales? Sure, in the long run, maybe later down the line. These are really list building activities. They're not really sales building activities. You know, here's the thing. Sales funnels, okay, let's start over. Sales funnels, a little bit of a history lesson here. ClickFunnels has hijacked the idea of a sales funnel. The sales funnel is not little tiny websites where you click this and then you go to the next page and you click that and you go to the next page and you do all these little fun stuff, these little activities. That's what people think a sales funnel is. And it's madness, right? It's freaking crazy. People have lost their minds, okay? And I get it, okay? I really do get it. It's really good marketing from Russell Brunson and everybody else. And what's that other guy? Frank Kern. He's a sales funnel guru too. And it's good stuff. I love sales funnels, okay? I love studying them. I love understanding how they operate. They're really good when you start running ads, right? They're helpful for sure. But the thing is, they got the idea of a sales funnel from somewhere else. Okay, they got the idea of a sales funnel from direct response marketing. It's old school stuff. Sales funnels are not new. That's the thing that everybody seems to be like all out of whack about. They think the sales funnel is some big new wave thing and I got to click a bunch of stuff on my computer and my phone and set it up. Oh my God, or I'll never make any money. Sales funnels go back to like horse and buggy days, and whoever just joined in, hashtag live, hashtag replay, but they're from like horse and buggy days, literally from like the days of like JC Penney, when he used to like hand out a bunch of flyers and say, come on, order a bunch of watches. Sales funnels is a concept. A sales funnel is an idea. It's a philosophy. It's not a bunch of little websites and stuff like that. Think about it like this. Okay? Some of you watching this, whether you be live or you're on the replay, do you know me? You might not. Okay? So that's a sales funnel. If you don't know me, give me the comment down below. You don't know me. I don't know you, man. Go ahead, tell me. Right? You don't know me. Okay, cool. Well, then that means you're in the very beginning of my sales funnel. Right? Chances are you have a best friend. Maybe you have a long lost family member. Maybe you have somebody that you met recently or you've never met them before. They're in the very beginning of your sales funnel. A sales funnel is nothing but a customer journey, a process of getting to know someone. That's it. That's all it is. Okay? So if you have people out there, whether it be on TikTok, on YouTube, on Pinterest, whatever platform you're using for your marketing, they don't know you yet, right? So there's some beginning process, a lead magnet, an opening conversation. Hey, how you doing, guys? Whatever, a video they saw, whatever. It's the beginning of the process. They have to first get to know you, have to be aware of you, right? Second, now they get into a nurturing process. Now that they're aware that you exist, right now you're aware that I exist. I'm alive. Here I am. I'm breathing. My name is Joel, the infamous Joel. Hi, how you doing? Right? Then you get to know them, their backstory. Well, I was a drug addict. I was an alcoholic. I spent 7 years in prison. I was a 9-to-5er like most of you out there. I spent most of my life working in warehouses, most of my life, driving forklift and trucks and things like that. Blue collar background, hard work, all that stuff, right? And you get to know them, and the people get to know you. That's the second phase of the sales funnel, is the nurturing phase, right? Where you're building know, like, and trust, that kind of stuff, right? And then the final phase, where everybody seems to screw up all the time, is the conversion, right? How do you achieve the sale? Most people extremely pushy. They're, buy. Here's my awesome thing. That works with, click funnels and builder, all that stuff, because you're running ads, right? You're running ads and you're driving traffic in mass, and you don't have a lot of time to make the pitch and all that stuff. But when you're just genuinely talking to someone in Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger or on TikTok in the comment section or whatever, you have to get really skilled at having people make that decision on their own. To make sales organically, it's a whole different skill set than if you're using like websites and sales funnels and all that stuff. Okay, I have a training that some of you might know about the Messenger Sales Masterclass, where, we walk you through how to do all that, and how to give you scripts and everything. But the thing is, that's it. That's a sales funnel. Now, I'm going to ask you then, pose to you this question. Do you need ClickFunnels for that? No. It's just a process. It's just a customer journey, right? Whether you're doing this on TikTok, whether you're doing this on Facebook, whether you're doing this on Instagram, you still have the initial meeting, right? The initial content that puts your name out there, gets people aware of you, etc., right? That's the little lead magnet. Now you have the nurture campaign. Maybe you put them in your Facebook group. Maybe, they follow you on Instagram. They follow you on TikTok. They subscribe to your YouTube channel, whatever. Now you get to nurture them. You build a relationship over time. And then finally, they have a strong desire. They have an interest in your product or service. Now you have the conversion. Maybe you make a webinar. Maybe you have like a TikTok live where you make your pitch or whatever. But you don't need the software, is my whole point. All I'm trying to tell you is you do not need all this over cumbersome software and all this, like, I have 10 tools running at the same time and I haven't made a sale yet. Oh my God, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? You're not doing anything wrong. You're just trading tools for skills, right? Marketing and sales is old fashioned. It's from way back. The first time that a caveman traded a giant boulder with another caveman, marketing and sales was born. He didn't need ClickFunnels to do it, okay? And it's crazy because I promote ClickFunnels. Like, I'm telling you, yeah, of course, I love ClickFunnels. Go ahead, sign up my affiliate link, grab it, right? But at the same time, I'm being upfront and honest with you. You don't really need it. It's not a necessity. You can make sales without it. I made sales without it. right? I have students in my program that make sales without that stuff all the time. You don't need it. So if it's confusing you and it's frustrating, oh my God, I don't know how to set it up. I don't know what I'm doing. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Seriously, do not worry about it at all. Don't worry about it. Really focus on your skills as a marketer, your skills in sales and converting, being friendly, being open, being honest, being, just a good person overall. And your audience, the people following you, will figure out, hey, this is, I like this guy. I like this gal. You know what I mean? Like, I like who I'm following and I'm going to buy stuff from them, period. That's it. You don't need all this other stuff. So I just wanted to jump on here and tell you that beautiful, wonderful story. And if you're struggling with all the tech stuff, don't worry, because I did too. Still made 6 figures, still grew a business. It doesn't matter. You don't need it. So drop it. That's it. If it is bothering you that much, just drop it. Just focus on the stuff that actually matters. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.